Good morning, y'all. It is Tuesday. Um, yeah, and it is 5:25 in the morning. We are up getting ready for work and school. I just wanted to come on today and say hello and take you along. I have a few things to do. I'm gonna go to work for 7, and I need to leave at 11. Dentist appointment for my daughter as well as myself. So yeah, then also I wanted to show you all my baby girl. She's 5. Wanted to start putting up the Christmas tree. I know it's early, but what it's gonna do. So, oh, I look a mess. It is early. Let me go ahead and show y'all the tree. All right, y'all. I try to turn off the lights so you can see the different little candy lane things. I have to finish putting up do my skirt at the bottom. Probably rearrange some of the balls that my daughter stuck all the way at the bottom. But I think it came out pretty good. It's a pretty big tree. I love it. I have a slimmer one, but I wanted something bigger. Something to fit the whole area. Yep. So let's get without the lights. Red and white stripes. And I'm going to go ahead and do the fireplace as well with the red and whites. And I think it came out pretty good. Once again, I absolutely love the theme. And the video really don't do justice. You actually have to see it in person. Try to see if I can step back some because it's so fat. Yeah, pretty tall. Yeah. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yep, so with the light you can see the twinkle, but with the, let me zoom in, y'all can see my black sand on my tree. But with the lights off, you can see more of the theme I was going for. Candyland. Yep. Yep, all that good stuff. And look at those. I think these are real cute. The little elf shoes. Yep. So that is that. Hey y'all. I'm not too certain if y'all end up catching a sale or missing it. Well, Bath and Body Works had their hand soap $3. So I wanted to get a few of those. Then they also sent, as you all can see, 20% off coupon. So these is just a few of the things I did get. I have the winter candy apple. I love this holiday scent. It smells good in the candle, hand wash, body mist, lotion, as well as the candle. So yes, the winter candy apple, not the country winter candy apple. Excuse me. Then I also had, I never got this one in the champagne tools. For some reason, I never knew they had the hand soap and champagne tools. I don't know, that's weird. Maybe I missed it, but yeah, I got one of those. Yeah, another winter candy. Cactus blossom. Now this smell real good in the candle, and also the warmers, the wallflowers. Let's see what one did I get. Winter. Another champagne toast, and as you can see, champagne toast is one of my favorites. So I also like the peach Bellini, and I like this for either hand soap or bathroom. It doesn't matter. I like this one. And not too much in the lemon. I had the stress relief. I did pick up one of those for bathroom. Another winter. I think this one smells good as well. I normally get winter in candle and wallflowers. Then look, another one. Champagne toast. So I pick up a total of, let me see, 10 of those. And I thought it was a real good deal because they were only $3. So I am looking for the candle sale, y'all. December 7th is marked down in my calendar. $8.95, I believe the candles are, and that's when I usually stock up on it. And then I get to use my 20% off, baby. Yes, yes. So yeah, I usually stock up on it when they're on sale. So it'll last me through the year because I think I get like maybe 20. It has to be 20. And then I get my percentage off. Yep. So yeah, tell me what you all think. Holla at your girl. I'll see you soon. Yeah, peace.